Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Austin, and today we got a little bit of a different video. I know you've seen the title, and yeah, today we're gonna check out some vapes. And this place called Smoketown Wholesale was kind enough to send me out some of their vapes to try out. So we're gonna try out some vapes. What do you say we get started? Okay, first up we got the Blue Energy, and I will show these. I like the packaging, and it says it's a disposable vape with filters. Let me read the back. It is a 1.2 ohm mesh coil, 10 ml liquid capacity. It is 30 milligrams nicotine, 650 mAh battery. So what do you say we check it out? Okay, we have these little tips, little filters. I wonder if you can use it without. I think you can. Let me see. Packaging. Oh wow, that smells good. Okay, it did have a sleeve on here, so it is USB-C. That's what I like to see. Okay, so since it comes with a filter, I'm just going to go ahead and put one in, and we will see how this works. I'm assuming these filters are like to give you more of that cigarette-like experience. So let's point it down. No button, so I believe it's just in-house. So cheers. Oh, that's good. It's like it's like a blue raspberry ice to me. This one's really good. I actually like this one. I will wait to review them all at the end, give them like, you know, a scale of 1 to 10. So let's check the next one. How about Orange Guava? Let's see if I can get it out without taking the sleeve off. There we go. See, so it comes with a sleeve on top and bottom. Yeah, so each of them, I believe, come with 4 filters. I don't believe you have to use the filters if you don't want to, but since they came with them, I'm just going to use them anyway. It does give it, I feel like it would give it a more concentrated flavor. I don't know, let me see. Let me hit this one without it first. Oh wow, that one's really good. So you can hit it either way, but if you're used to cigarettes, then these little filters you'll definitely be more accustomed to. It's very, very, very like, it's orange. It's less orange in the front, and it's got a heavy guava in the back. It's really nice. I'm gonna get nicked out hitting all these. But yeah, so orange guava. It's really good. What do you say we try the apple tobacco? And this is the red packaging. Each of the packaging is, as you've seen, colored, resembling the vapes, so I do like that as well. Go like this. I didn't even see the back too. HYDRA. Let's try this. Apple tobacco. Now I don't know how that's going to. Ooh. Now I'm not much of a fan on tobacco, since I was never really in vaping for that. I like the flavor. I've been vaping for quite a while. But apple tobacco. See? The apple tobacco has like a it's not like a heavy tobacco. It's like a apple light. I would say that one's probably my least favorite so far, just because I'm not a tobacco person. But as far as like having a light tobacco vape, this one's really not bad at all. I don't mind it. It's just not my personal favorite in the lineup so far. So what do you say we check the next one? Okay, last up we have the peach mango. Oh, whoa, that one is strong. That is very strong peach. Peach mango. Cheers. This one's more peach centric. It's peach forward and mango in the back, but it still has that mango in there. It mellows out quite well. And these being 30 milligram, they're good, but they're not like kill your throat. They're actually pretty smooth. Yeah, that one's really good. It's not like an overbearing peach mango. It's a very like light mango. So yeah, not bad. Definitely not bad. So what do you say we go to the next one, and I'll sit here and collect my thoughts, and we'll figure out what to rate these. Okay, so now I've had some time to hit these and try them a few more times and actually sit here and collect my thoughts. So now I'm going to put them in order from which one I like the most to the least. So the Blue Energy is definitely my favorite one first. It's got like a blue raspberry culotta type thing to it, so it's a little bit mentholy, but it's really not bad. I actually like this a lot. And then I have the Orange Guava. These are my two out of the lineup so far. I really like that the Orange Guava is a lighter orange and then guava in the back. So these, definitely I'd rank these both probably 8.5 out of 10s. I really do like these. And I do like the tips that come with it. With 4 filter tips, I mean, you can't go wrong. So yeah, both of these are like 8.5 out of 10. I definitely like these. My third favorite one that I got was the Peach Mango. Now, I wish it had a little bit more mango, but the peach is still really, really good. I'm going to rate this one definitely an 8 out of 10. I really like it. I just wish I had a little bit more mango, but yeah, this one is still fire to use. I definitely like this one. Okay, now my least favorite was the apple tobacco, and I'm going to rate that one probably like a 7.5 out of 10, because even though it is a tobacco, which I'm not really a fan of, it is such a light tobacco that it's doable, and especially with the apple in there. It's not really an apple crisp. It's more of like a sweet red apple that's light and like an ultra light tobacco combined. So it's not bad. It's just, not my thing. So guys, with that being said, go on over to Instagram and check out Smoketown Wholesale. I got the HYDRA Vapes from them. Special shout out to them once again. Check out their website, smoketown.com, I believe. They are in the Dallas, Texas area. But yeah, guys, with that being said, go check out Smoketown Wholesale over on Instagram. These are the HYDRA Vapes that they sent out to me once again. That being said, hope you liked the video. Subscribe down below if you could. That being said, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.